Hi guys, I'm Yildiray, but you can call me Yil. I'm a full-time UX UI designer. And today I'm starting a new YouTube series where I will be teaching you how to make amazing stuff for your channel with free and accessible tools. Let's jump into it. In this video we will be making sim racing thumbnails. We need in-game images so you can create them in scapes or, like I did, use a race replay. Make sure that your game captures option is enabled in your PlayStation app. Locate your replay under My Items. Now is the tricky part. Now you need to find a best possible scene for a thumbnail. For me, it was this overtake. After some micro adjustments, I was happy with what we got. Now you can enter the race photos mode and choose walk mode. In this mode you can set up your scene. Finding the best possible shot takes time and experience. So I'll show you my progress here, uncut. Okay, this seems like a good spot. And I'm happy with what we got. Let's zoom in. Okay, I'm happy with what we got. This will be my thumbnail, so press the square to refocus. In FX, we need to put the glare to -100. This will help with the glare diffusion later. Now zoom out a bit, so we have some extra landscape to work with. Press shoot and let it render. Make a screenshot of this picture while holding the share button. And save it if you like. Now we're gonna add a mask. Then we are going to add a filter. I usually use low contrast. Now we are going to refine some settings. Put the brightness to 60. After that we are going to put contrast to 0. And the same with highlights. That way we will have a gray background like this. Render the photo and make a screen capture again. In your PlayStation app, go to Game Library and press on Captures. Here you will find the screenshots that we made. Download them both and transfer them to your computer. Now surf to PhotoPea website. The link is in the description. PhotoPea is an online photo editor, just like Photoshop, but it's free. We are going to create a new project. Set the width to 1920 and the height to 1080. This is the standard photo thumbnail for YouTube. Now we need to import our images. Press File and then Open and Place. Now select your image. Now do the same for the other image. Now we have our both layers in the layers panel. We are gonna select the top gray background one and press select and then subject. After that we are gonna press select again and again on subject. Now normally all cars are selected. We are gonna copy our selection and paste it. This will create a new layer with only the cars. We can now hide the gray background one. If we also hide the base one, we will see that the car on the top right is present. Select this and remove it with the backspace key. Now we are gonna add some text with the text tool. I always use Fig 3 as my font. This is my favorite font for thumbnails, and it has many styles. I will go for the black one. Choose a larger font size and create some text. Preferably a clickbait or a nice catchy title. And play with your settings till you're happy. I will choose white for the color. Select the two layers of the cars in the right panel and check the Transform Controls checkbox on top. This way we can make our images bigger. Drag it while holding Options or Alt key. To create the text behind cars effect, drag your text layer under your cars layer. For me as a designer, this is already a finished product, because less is more. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's add some effects on it. I have downloaded a speed lines effect. Let's add them. Always credit the author of the image, like I did in the description. Now I will resize this image to my liking, and I can also change the color by double clicking the layer and going to color overlay. I will use white for this example and put the opacity on 10. Now add some explosion effects behind the cars. I'm going to scale it and place it to my liking. And then I'm gonna put the blending on hard light. Now we are gonna create some mask for this layer, so we can mask the debris that comes under the car. Select the brush tool and make sure that your brush has enough thickness. After that, we are just gonna brush away the debris that are under the car. We are going to add some stroke to the text so it will be more readable. Double click the text layer. We can also add some shadow, but I prefer the stroke. Put the size of the stroke to 5 pixels and press OK. There you have it, we have created a nice thumbnail. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Let's export this image. Go to File and Export as JPEG. Give your image a name and leave the quality at 70 because YouTube has a limit. click on save and save the image to your computer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of these tutorials. Bye.